This quick video will show you how to find stations you may be interested in monitoring in RiverAware. The easiest way is the map when you first launch the application, which shows you your current location. If it's not showing your current location, you can go to your current location by clicking this arrow. Once you're there, if the station is near you, just pick it from the map, and that will bring up the hydrograph showing what the water levels are there this week, or this day, or in the past 3 months. And then you can set your alerts or add them to your watch list from there. Now, another way is to just use the search functionality. Say I'm looking for the Rio Grande in New Mexico. I can start to type the state, and it will appear here. If I choose it from the map, it will zoom to that state, and then I'll see that each of these dots, because I'm zoomed out, represents perhaps several stations. And I can find a station I'm interested in monitoring. Let's say we want to go to Albuquerque and monitor south of there on the Rio Grande. I just choose my station, and again, from there I can change the time scale, add it to the alerts, my watch list. I can check what the flow is versus the gauge height, etc. Now, a third way is if you know something about the name of the station. So say I'm looking for the Otter Creek in Rutland, Vermont, and I know there's a gauging station there. I can pick that, find a station that has Otter Creek in the name. I can go to Vermont and look at the levels in the Otter Creek. Again, I can add them to my alerts or my watch list. I can choose to share them with friends. And when I close the hydrograph, my map is centered on the station I selected.